We have seen progress in the world around us. We choose to lead in that progress. We choose to push forward for a better future. You will experience our progress from the moment you sit down. Our technology solutions allow you to grasp every detail about your construction site, so you can address every variable. We help you see more and sense more, so you can avoid danger. Smart. In the design of each machine, HD Hyundai considers the people who use it and the people around it, so you can count on it like a faithful friend throughout your workday. Safe. We are transitioning to environmentally friendly energy sources to protect our shared resources. Sustainable. We choose to lead, to be smarter, safer, more reliable, greener. Building a comfortable tomorrow. HD Hyundai Construction Equipment.